Very good morning, students. Today's we have discussed a new topic, that is classification and synthesis of the general anesthetics drugs. So now, classification of general anesthetic. General anesthetics are categorized into different categories. Number one is volatile or inhalational anesthetics. These are the example of the drugs that is inhalational anesthetic, like chloroform, diethyl ether, divinyl ether, trichloroethylene, propane, halothane, fluoroxanthine, etc. These are the type of drugs which comes under in the inhalational anesthetics, and these are the structure of this type of drugs. Okay, now come to the second class, that is non-volatile intravenous anesthetics. Non-volatile intravenous anesthetics is categorized into more categories. Number one categories is ultra short acting barbiturates. These are the example of drugs which comes under into the ultra short acting barbiturates, like methoxytol sodium, thiomylar sodium, thiopental sodium, and hexobarbitol. And these are the structure of the related drug of the ultra short acting barbiturates, like thiopental sodium and hexobarbitol. This is the chemical structure of the category. Next one is categories aryl cyclohexylamine. This is the ketamine drug which is related to the aryl cyclohexylamine anesthetic, and this is the structure of the related drug. Next category is benzodiazepine, that is example of the drug is midazolam, and this is the structure of the midazolam. Next category of the anesthetic is narcotic analgesic. L-fentanyl and fentanyl is the example of the narcotic analgesics, and this is the structure of this related type. And last category is miscellaneous drugs, like etomidate, propanidate, and phencyclidine and propofol are the drugs which comes under the miscellaneous type of the anesthetic drugs. Now come to the synthesis. Halothane. Number one drug is halothane. The synthesis of halothane is possible from the trichloroethylene. Okay, and the trichloroethylene is reacting with the SbF3 in the presence of some temperature like 130 degrees centigrade, which make an intermediate product. Okay, and the intermediate product is reacting with the bromide compound, and bromide, after the reaction of the bromide and intermediate product, we have received the halothane drug. The IUPAC name of the halothane is 2-bromo-2-chloro-1,1,1-trifluoroethane. This one is the halothane drug which is synthesized from the trichloroethylene at the temperature is 130 degrees centigrade. And the use of the halothane drug is conjunction with N2O, and for the skeletal muscle relaxation used for the succinyl chloride. Okay, now come to the next synthesis of the drug, that is methoxytol sodium. Methoxytol sodium is synthesized by the diethyl malonate and 3-bromoprop-1-ene. When diethyl malonate and 3-bromoprop-1-ene is reacting with yeast together in the presence of sodium ethoxide, it reduces HBr and make an intermediate product. And when the intermediate product is again reacting with sodium ethoxide and some other compounds, and again release the HBr compound and make another intermediate product, and the second intermediate product is reacting with N-methylurea, this one, and an alkali like sodium OH, and release the one alcoholic group and make methoxytol sodium. This one is the methoxytol sodium. Okay, methoxytol sodium is an analgesic anesthesia used. This intravenous anesthetic is especially useful for the short surgical operations such as oral surgery, gynecological investigations, genitourinary procedure, and electroconvulsion therapies. Now come to the next point, the synthesis of ketamine HCl. For the synthesis of ketamine HCl, we have two different type of products. Number one is 2-chlorobenzonitrile and cyclopentyl magnesium bromide. Whenever 2-chlorobenzonitrile and cyclopentyl magnesium bromide is reacting with each together in the presence of some water molecule, it releases the HBr and make an intermediate product. And whenever the intermediate product is reacting with in the presence of bromide compound, it make an different type of intermediate product, and the intermediate product is make after the many reactions it make the ketamine hydrochloride compound. These are the structures of the ketamine HCl. And the use of the ketamine is, its another name is dissociative anesthetic because it produces unpleasant hallucinations and strong feeling of dissociation from the environment. Okay, it is the rapidly acting non-barbiturate general anesthetic that produces anesthesia and characterized by the profound analgesia. These are the synthesis of different type of anesthetic drugs.